Hi guys, who says you actually need an oven to make cookie? This cookie, for example, is actually not made from oven. It's actually made in a microwave. Yeah. With all this recipe, Christmas is going to be lit. Oh my goodness. Well, no one cares about dieting during Christmas. We're going to burn it after Christmas. We're going to eat the gym after Christmas. This looks really nice. I'm going to be trying this. I'm going to be trying it a whole lot this Christmas. Very quick and easy as well. You don't have to break the bank. And of course, the stress is zero level. Like, we're not stressing this Christmas. We're making it quick and easy. And for this caramel slice, you actually did on the freezer, just a fridge. See, you don't have to have the big appliances. You don't have to stress yourself. And you don't have to spend a huge amount of money. You don't have to break the bank to get the recipes. Honestly, I am having a lazy Christmas. I don't know about you. Are you going to be having a lazy Christmas? What one of these recipes are you going to be trying? Please, don't let anybody stress you this Christmas. So, don't let anybody stress you. If anybody is coming to your house and say, oh, I'm coming to visit you, I'm going to eat jollof rice and fried rice, tell them they're very welcome. But as you're coming, let them bring their pot and the ingredients they're going to use to cook it. And once you're done cooking it, you can always do the honor to serve them. This Christmas, we are going to relax. Is it forbidden that Nigerian mothers or mothers all over the world shouldn't rest on Christmas Day? Is it forbidden? Why must we sweat it out in the kitchen every single Christmas? I'm just imagining. I'm sitting there and I'm already thinking about, okay, what am I going to cook on Christmas Day? And I'm already feeling stressed. No, I'm not doing that. All of these lovely snacks are saying, this is what we're having on Christmas Day. Yes. Because after you finish cooking this food at the end of the day, they're only going to eat bits and pieces from it, and then you have to stock your freezer and your fridge with the leftovers. And guess who's going to eat them after Christmas? It's going to be you. And then you're wondering why are moms adding weight after Christmas? It's because the leftovers after Christmas, we're the ones eating it. This marshmallow and biscuit chocolate thing, is it not nice? And because they have sugar tooth, these ones, they will not ask you to put it away in the freezer. They will finish it the same day. So that way you're calorie free. And then also look at this one. Now this is apple with peanut butter and chocolate drizzle and nuts and whatnot. Anyway, watch out for the allergies. Anyway, for the allergens for children. It's nice. It's lovely. It's even healthy. So we do these things. It's nice. Something for a change. So this year, I am nobody's bean. No, I am nobody's bean. Yes, you're looking at me with a basic side eye. Are you also not having a lazy Christmas? Maybe you're also having a lazy Christmas. Because I came out and said my own. Okay, let me hear. So what's your plan for Christmas? Because all these meals you are seeing, all these ones, are the ones that me are making for Christmas. That's all I'm making for Christmas. I think I'm joking. Okay. Even Swallow is not invited this year. Pounded yam and egusi and all those things. This Christmas, when you are in Rome, you behave like Romans. This year, I want to be Romans with this Christmas. So, but if you are cooking jollof rice and fried rice and swallow your house, why not? Please, bring some this way. I think I really like this Santa art one. It looks really fun and it's nice. And the good thing is, I'm not going to be the only one doing it because I'm going to have my yard people. I know they will like it. They like to be artistic. This hot dogs one as well looks really simple. And it's probably what you've got in your kitchen as well. Again. I'm just loving my idea for this Christmas. Oh my goodness. Yes, I'm loving it because I've got hot dogs. I've got bread. What else is there? Egg and cheese. I've got all of these things in my kitchen. And how much? I would even spend up to £2 or £3 to get them in the store. This Christmas, we're going to be saving money. We're going to be saving money because with all the plans that UK government have for us is 2025, we can't help but to save money. We are saving money on Christmas dinner. That is it. See now, this one is made from potatoes. Just boil it, crush it, put salt, add pepper, put it in the oven. and get the ketchup out. And the good thing about all of these recipes that you're seeing is that it's very easy to get anywhere. You know, God forbid an African woman, an African mother rest on Christmas Day. It is forbidden. We must sweat it out. What is it? Must we go through the hard life? Look at this homemade ice cream, for example. Just go to the shop, buy the cream milk, pour it in your stand mixer, whisk it until it becomes really fluffy. Add vanilla, add sugar, put it in the freezer. Ice cream is ready. And if you feel like taking espresso, get an empty Nutella chocolate spread jar or any chocolate spread jar that you have at home, the hazelnut spread jar. Pour milk, pour coffee, pour some sugar, shake it together, pour it out. See? And then if you want hot chocolate as well, do the same. Add some cocoa powder, get the warm milk in, add some sugar, shake it. You have a very nice, luxurious chocolate drink. Yeah, as I was saying, African mothers. You know, this reminded me of what my friend's mom said to me some years ago. That African women, you know, most times we want to deliver the baby ourselves without any medication, without epidural or anything, you know. It is passed down to us by our ancestors that, God forbid, we take epidural or painkillers during labor. We want to sweat it out in the labor ward and push the baby out ourselves. No, even if you do CS, it is kept hush, like we're in a secret cult. They must not know that I delivered through CS. What is it? It's not that deep, whoa. What about our lovely neighbor on the side who has not, you know, taken the handover from our ancestors? She's had epidural and she's just sipping tea and she's dilating, and you are there screaming and pulling the whole blinds of the hospital because you don't want to get medicated, you know. So, you know, when she said that year, I was just thinking, you know, she was just cracking a joke. But actually, when you think about it, God forbid that we relax and have a nice Christmas. Mom has to be in the kitchen sweating it out. But now, I understand better. See, it doesn't have to be like this. We can order pizza on Christmas Day. We can order pizza. We don't have to, you know, do none of all these regular shenanigans that we do. Me, this Christmas, I'm telling you, I'm in business. I'm not doing any of those things. Like where I'm living now, if I'm to get all this all this other African stuff now for African Nigerian Christmas.
Dad, I finished my coffee.
She's not having coffee, by the way. She's having hot chocolate. See my life. I can't even record in peace. Anyway, so I'll have to drive down all the way to London to get all these things. But you know what? I am not. I'm telling you, this Christmas, I'm not sweating it. So I am going to sit down, place an order, get pizza delivered, get all of these lovely, yummy snacks that you're seeing. Going to make them in very small quantity, by the way. And that's what we do for Christmas. But I would really love to know what I get to do for Christmas. That's my plan. Leave me alone.